It's beer time,
Wow.
but we're not drinking it. We are brewing it, and we're brewing a 40 pint of Woodforde's Wherry Amber Ale, 4.5% ABV. So, fermenter, I'm going to sterilise, get everything ready, and then we'll be off. So we'll be back in a minute. So we're back, everything is sterilised, all ready to go. So it's about mixing it up now. So first of all, we will put in the cans. Yeah, I've put, you're supposed to add 3.5 litres, which is roughly 2 kettles. So I've put 1 kettle in and I've just boiled the other. So this is the lovely malt going in.
That treacle?
Yeah, you get that smell in a minute. Lovely jumby.
Ooh.
So let's get a bit of water in there, and I'm gonna put an oven glove on for this.
Oh.
Mind you, saying that, it's not gonna work. It's too slippery.
Would get hot then.
Yeah, with this boiling water. I mean, they were warm anyway because I've had them sitting in hot water. But once you get this hot kettle water in it, that's probably okay. Get the second one in.
So what's this?
It's the same. You just get, oh fuck. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to get, we'll have to pause.
Okay.
It's failed.
Pausing to get a can opener. We're back.
We're back. Had to get an old can opener. The ring pull failed. But there we go. These things happen. So this is the second can of malt going in. Let's get a bit of hot water in it. Give it one more go.
Very sticky stuff, isn't it, mate?
It is. It is. Like you said, it's like treacle.
Yeah.
Right, that should do. Pour the rest of the hot water in. And give it a stir. So what will happen next is once I've stirred this, we'll pause and I'll go and fill it up with, you top it up to 23 litres, which is 40 pints.
23 litres.
Yeah, fill it up with cold water. And then it'll be ready to add the yeast. Once the yeast is on and put the lid on, it will go in the fermentation unit, which I've set at 19 degrees, because it says to keep it between 18s and 20s, so it's set at 19, but if it drops, the heater will kick in when it hits 18.
Okay.
And if it goes up to 20, the fridge will kick in and bring it back down to 19. So it'll be within that range that they suggest the whole time, and that'll be 7 to 10 days. So pause it there for a minute. We're back. I've topped it up with cold water to 23 litres, which you can probably see on the side. And now it's time to add the yeast.
It's a little bit out of breath because it's heavy.
Yeah, I just had to carry it from the utility room. So this is the yeast. It says premium yeast, 6G, whatever that means. So you sprinkle this on top.
And that's the second bag of yeast, isn't it?
Yeah, there's 2 little sachets of yeast. Because this particular brewing kit, you don't need to add sugar because it's all in the malt already.
Okay.
So that's all you need is the 2 cans and the yeast. I don't know whether it says stir it or not. Spring of beer. Yeah, just leave it. So I should take the spoon out.
Messy business, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good fun though, isn't it?
Worth it.
Yeah, so we've got to make sure this is definitely all clipped down. It's got to be airtight. And I've got a little bit of cold water in that shot that I'll put in there, but I'll do it once it's in the fermenter, which I'll get open first. So the temperature at the moment is 17.4. And as you can see, the heater is on.
Yeah.
So that'll bring it up to 19. Right, now I've got to get that in there.
Now the heavy lifting.
There it is.
That sits home for how long?
7 to 10 days. And then it will go into that keg.
So you're just putting the cold water in the top.
Into the air bubble thingy. Right.
You can see the temperature increasing already.
Yeah, it's gone up to 18.3. That's the gas and beer line. Once it's all done, it'll be coming through the beer engine. This is the probe for that.
Okay.
So that'll keep it at the right temperature. And that's it.
It's done.
Woodforde's Wherry, Amber Ale, 4.5%.
And how much did that cost?
I think it was about 28 quid. 40 pints.
Can't knock it.
It's not bad, is it? So that's it. So next, when we come back, it will be in 10 days' time, and we'll transfer it to the keg, and I think about 5 bottles, because the keg is only 19 litres. So we'll have a few in bottles, and the rest will be going through to the beer pump. So until then, cheers everyone.
Time for a rest.
Yeah. We're back with brewing Woodforde's Wherry Amber Ale at 4.5% ABV, and it brews 40 pints.
Nice.
So it's finished fermenting, so this has got to come out, and it will be going in to this, 19 litres into this, and then 4 litres into the 5 bottles. We've got brewing sugar to put into here and into the bottles before we fill them.
Okay.
Got our siphon, and we're nearly ready to go. I just got to sterilise everything, so I'll go and do that, and we'll be back and off and running. We're back again. Everything is sterilised. It's the Woodforde's Wherry Amber Ale, 4.5%, and we're about to decant it into the keg, which is 19 litres. There's 23 in here, so we've got 5 bottles. I've put sugar in here, and we're ready to go.
Brilliant sugar.
Yeah, that's the sugar there. Look.
So how much of that did you put in?
Do you want to have a look at the beer? 100 grams.
Looks disgusting.
And it's time to get it flowing. There it is.
Oh.
It's flowing.
I wish it had smell, Ken.
So I won't put you through waiting for that to all siphon in. So we'll be back when that's full, and it will be going back into the fermentation unit. Okay, see you soon. We're back, and we have drained all the beer out of here into the keg, and I've also along the way filled the bottles.
Bottles of beer.
Yep, they're all full. So there's the beer, full keg, a little bit of headroom. So that's got to go to bed now.
Got to go to bed.
Seal it up. Do you want to have a look at what's left in here? All the stuff left at the bottom.
Drink that.
No. So that has got to go and be washed. And the keg and the bottles have got to go in the fermentation unit. Oh, which is heavy. So I'm going to leave it set at 19, so it'll fluctuate between 18 and 20, just for a couple of days, which is what it says to do. That's a nice noise, isn't it? So that's the keg in there. I'll fit the bottles around it. Yeah, so after a couple of days I'll then lower the temperature and let the beer, leave it alone for a couple of weeks. Yeah, let it clear and so that's where it stays for a couple of weeks now.
Lovely job.
And then after that, it'll be coming through the pipe and out of here. Now, as I was draining, I did pour a little tiny bit out. So it still needs clearing a bit, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You know, that should clear up a little bit more in the next couple of weeks. It is amber, like it says. Smells good. A lot of caramel malt. Now, I'd normally drink that, but I've got to drive in a bit, so I'm just going to have one little sip. Do you want to try it?
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. Go on the camera job.
She'll down that now.
That's not bad.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, not bad at all.
Right, so that's it for now. We will be back when it's ready to be pulled from the pump and we'll pour our first pint.
Okay.
So until then, cheers. So we're back to the exciting bit now of the Woodforde's Norfolk. Woodforde's Wherry is the beer. It's an amber ale, 4.5%, and we're brewing it. And the exciting bit now is that it's going to be coming through, because it's been kegged up for a couple of weeks. So it's sitting in there nice
Sitting in there nice.
at 11 degrees. And it will be coming through on this.
Oh.
So what I'm going to do now, using Prozan beer line cleaner, is clean the beer lines.
Where did you get that from?
I got that, I think, off of the Big A.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're doing. I'll get all that done, and then we shall pour our first pint.
Woohoo!
See you in a minute. And we're back. The beer line has been cleaned. It's all hooked up to the keg, and we're about to pour Woodforde's Wherry, amber ale. Let's see what it's like. Nice sound, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like it's a bit lively.
very frothy.
Is it?
Looks it.
Should settle out though. Well, it looks amber, doesn't it?
It does look amber.
It's a nice
Got a big head.
thick head, isn't it?
White. Yeah.
Quite clear.
Looks alright to me.
Looks good. Oh, that lovely rich caramel malt. A little bit of fruit there as well. Smells good. Let's give it a go. It is settling, isn't it? Gradually.
Yeah.
Right.
Give it a taste.
Cheers, by the way, people. That's oh, that's quite nice. It's got quite a sweetness to it,
Oh, is it?
but nice and malty. Yeah, it's nice. Do you want to try it?
I will.
Give that a go. I like that. We got 40 pints of that.
Oh, that's nice.
It's all right, isn't it? It's quite sweet though.
I think that's one of the best ones so far.
Sweet caramel
Yeah.
malt, isn't it?
Is it
Almost a bit toffee
is
like.
it too sweet for you?
It is a little too sweet, yeah. But I'll deal with it.
It won't go to waste.
No. I'll get through them. So that is a nice bit of Woodforde's Ferry Amber Ale, 4.5%.
Came in a box.
Complete, 40 pints.
Exactly that.
And all we got to do is enjoy it now.
And there you go. Lovely jubbly.
The next one we're going to do,
Oh.
after this has been consumed, is Geordie Mild, which also makes 40 pints. Not sure what the ABV is on it.
We've done a Geordie beer before.
Yeah, I've done a couple, I think. Does it say the ABV? No, not really. Well, I say not really, no it doesn't. I'll have to use my hydrometer. So that is that then.
Job done.
All we've got to do now is enjoy them. And we will be back for a beer review soon. Cheers everyone.